Welcome to Gadget World, where we dive into the latest and greatest in tech. Today, we're taking a closer look at the GoPro HERO12 Black, the ultimate action camera designed for adventurers and content creators alike. Join us as we explore its features, performance, and why it could be the perfect addition to your gear collection. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the design and build quality of the GoPro HERO12 Black. Known for its durability, this camera is built to withstand the elements. It's waterproof, shockproof, and dustproof, making it ideal for capturing your most daring adventures, whether you're diving, hiking, or biking. The standout feature of the HERO12 Black is its stunning video quality. It captures breathtaking 3K 60 Ultra HD video, providing incredible clarity and detail. Whether you're recording fast-paced action or cinematic shots, this camera delivers professional-grade footage every time. When it comes to photography, the HERO12 Black doesn't disappoint. It boasts a 27MP sensor that captures vibrant, high-resolution photos. With HDR capability, your images will have balanced exposure and rich colors, even in challenging lighting conditions. Equipped with a 1:1 9 inches image sensor, this GoPro excels in low-light conditions, ensuring your shots are crisp and clear. Plus, with advanced stabilization technology, your videos will be smooth and steady, even during the most intense activities. For content creators and streamers, the HERO12 Black offers live streaming and webcam functionality. Connect with your audience in real time, stream directly to social platforms, or use it as a high-quality webcam for video calls and meetings. User experience is key with the HERO12 Black. It features an intuitive touchscreen interface and voice control, making it easy to operate even when you're on the move. Additionally, it offers versatile mounting options and accessories to suit any adventure. In conclusion, the GoPro HERO12 Black is a powerhouse action camera that combines rugged durability with cutting-edge technology. With its 3K 60 Ultra HD video, 27MP photos, advanced stabilization, and live streaming capabilities, it's the perfect tool for capturing and sharing your adventures. Share your thoughts in the comments below if you've experienced the HERO12 Black, and subscribe to Gadget World for more reviews and tech insights. Explore the HERO12 Black through our Amazon affiliate link in the description. Until next time, may your captures be epic and your adventures unforgettable.